Okay, Bridge students, I just realized we forgot to do the listen and write for lesson 19. So it's on page 9 of the songbook. If you can have your kiddos follow along real quick with us right now while I do it with my daughter. Okay, so we're just going to follow these steps. And step number 1 says draw a connecting bar line and a brace next to it. And it says to look at lesson 7 for a reference, but you can look right here. We're drawing that connecting bar line between both staffs. Just one big bar line all the way up and down. Yep. Well, she's doing the brace right now. Okay, that's fine. We just want a straight line and the bracket. So do a straight line. There we go. And then you can try to do the bracket or the brace, they're calling it, to connect those together. Okay, so it kind of goes squiggly out and then squiggly back in. Do like a squiggly out and then a little point and then back in. That's good. Okay, now step 2 says draw a treble clef. That's right there. You start at the top of your lines, go all the way down. Good job. Then the capital D and then swoosh around the second line. Good job. And number 3 is the bass clef. So you're going to start on the F line. Every good boy. No, wait. That's the treble. Good bridges don't fall. So do a dot on the F line and then make a capital C around, kind of a backwards C, I guess. And then you're going to do 2 dots above and below that same line. So it looks like this up here. Perfect. Then turn the double bar line into a repeat sign. So first you're going to trace the double bar line at the end. And then to make it a dot, dot, do it again. Both clefs need those dots, and they go above and below that third line in the treble clef and in the bass clef. Good. Okay, now number 5 says draw 2 bar lines to create 3 measures total. So just like we've made our bar lines at the front and end, we're gonna don't divide it right in the middle because we need 3 measures total. So do a bar line there. And then another bar line there. Good. So we have 1, 2, 3 measures. And then the number 6 says number the measures. So we just counted them, just write 1 up here, 2, 3. Perfect. And the last one, draw a middle C in measure 2. So where's measure 2? And how do you draw a middle C? Good. Now if we were going to draw a middle C more accurately, you put it right in the middle there. How would we make it more accurate? We would do a little skip down, right? It's the line right underneath that. So let's try that again. Whoops. We'll just scoot it over here. So look how these lines are spaced apart. We're going to try to make our line about the same distance apart. Now draw a middle C on that. There we go. Good job. And then that's it. We followed all 7 steps and we're done.